By now, you'll recognise the expression na fheàrr, better, has sin na fheàrr. And maybe you remember nas miosa, worse, has sin nas miosa. Na fheàrr and nas miosa are the comparative forms of ma and donna. Unlike those two, most Gaelic adjectives are easily recognisable in the comparative. For example, lua, fast, nas luaia, faster. But a few adjectives have less obvious comparative forms and need more practice. Easy is furiste. Has sin furiste. Ach, has seo na sasa. This is easier. Has seo na sasa. And easiest, the superlative form, is asasa. J and dói asasa. What's the easiest way? And dói asasa. Diriv means hard, difficult. Ha noper sin diriv. Ach, has seo fiús nas dora. This is even harder. Has seo fiús nas dora. And most difficult, as dora. Jane Ruth has dora a reinu riamh. What's the most difficult thing you've ever done? Jane Ruth has dora a reinu riamh.